Okay, we're about to demonstrate a Cincinnati Bickford Super Service single spindle drill press. It's a 24-inch capacity. It's got a 5-horse taper spindle. It's a 5-horse 220/440 motor, wired 440. It's got an 18 by 28 T-slotted table. The spindle RPM is from 60 to 1,000. There are power feeds on the spindle. It's about 8 of them. Has a coolant system, some piping needs attention. It's a 1941 machine. You'll see it demonstrated here. We put a 3-inch drill bit in the spindle. I'll put it through the spindle speeds and the spindle feeds, and the thing is flawless. The waves on it are massive. So here we go. This is got forward and reverse for tapping. Reverse for tapping. Slow the spindle down to 60 RPM. You have to shut it off to change the spindle speeds. Now I'm going to put it on to 460 RPM when it goes in. I'm going to put it on 1,000 RPM.
Wide open.
It has an automatic shut-off on the spindle, which is adjustable here. It has a 10-inch stroke on it. I'm going to drop it back down to 460, and I'll show you the power feed on the spindle. And as you see, as it reaches its depth where it's set at, it will automatically knock off. But this is set right now at about 8 to 10 inches. It does have power going back up, but there is no automatic shut-off for that. That's at 9,000ths of an inch per minute feed rate. Everything works 100%. The coolant system works. It needs some attention to the piping. You have to put oil in it.
There's the table.
The ways on it are beautiful. You can see on the vertical ways here, there's all the original the scrape marks on it. One of the handles here has to be shortened. so I can raise and lower the table.
No power table on this
No
one?
power table, it's hand. But it works free and fine. It needs to be cleaned up a little more, but the drill is 100%. So if you have any questions, or you can send us an email or give us a call. Rumford Supply and Machinery Company, 1-800-592-5912. You can email us at toolingking@earthlink.net. Okay, and that concludes this one of the drill.